right, let's talk about the women, and hopefully there will be no crying for Jamaica in the women's 200-meter final. Shericka Jackson, the two-time defending champion, is there. Warren, I'll start with you. Looking at the semi-finals, does Shericka Jackson look more of a gold medal contender than you thought coming into the championships?
Yes, round by round, after the 100 meter and the 20 meter, she's been looking more and more like her old self. She's the only one in the 21 barrier, even though Melissa was right there. But she looks more and more poised like herself, and she's also in front of Melissa. I think she has a strong chance of getting that gold.
David, what did you make of the semi-final performance?
Very good. A great story in the making here. Shericka coming back for hers, it's hers, and I think it's always good for athletes to be able to have this kind of fitness going into our finals, to let persons know that you're going to have to race me. It's a race with me, and I'm not just going to sit around and allow you to beat me. That is a mindset that I think Shericka is going into the finals. It's hers to lose.
Yeah, painful there for Anthony Strong, the Bahamian. Bruce, 30 seconds.
Yeah, there are a lot of things that happen in that very race. Shericka goes sub-22, the only one to go sub-22. Brilliant, looks good, goes in looking great. Anthony Strong, her training partner at MVP, pulls up and still qualifies for the final, 22:48. Incredible. Amy Hunt, though, from Britain, we have to love her because she put Brittany Brown into third. That puts Brittany down in the tighter lanes, which is something that's really important for us because Brittany Brown is one of those dangerous competitors. She has won World Championship medals before. So Shericka looking good. The truth is Melissa Jefferson-Wooden, the 100-meter champion, 10:61 at these championships, did not come out of first gear. And I think Melissa does have a lot left. It's going to be Melissa Shericka all the way to the line.